Welcome back to the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching. So today we're going to be covering the T-Mobile UC update that we've seen in some of these residential areas. Now I might say iPhone 12 Pro Max, but it actually is on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. And let's go ahead and see what the speeds are. Now this is full coverage right on the main street where the UC just started displaying. And as we can see, we're getting over 550 megabits per second on the speed. Now the upload speed is going to be a little bit less, but we're still looking at around 30 or so more. Now we're going to compare some of the speeds if you're driving and how accurate it stays and how it maintains its connection. Now it does fluctuate, so the ultra capacity, that's what UC stands for, is an updated 5G band for T-Mobile, so you do get faster speeds. We can potentially see gigabit speeds, but we'll see how that happens. Now this is still UC, but now as you see, the bars are at 2, so we're not getting as strong of a signal, but still over 100 megabits per second, faster than some of the home internet that people are paying out there for. Now your upload speeds are lower, so if you're using Spectrum or something like that, you can expect usually about 100 megabits per second to 200 megabits per second and about 10 to 20 megabits per second depending on your upload. Now you can buy faster internet, but you're also looking at way more, so there's a lot of potential for UC once they are enabling their home internet and stabilizing the connection to this frequency. Now as you can see, we're doing the test again. Now this is just a few minutes later and we're getting over 400. Now the bars will kind of drop and the connection will vary, so be aware of that. UC, just because you see it doesn't necessarily mean you will get the fastest connection every single time. There are still some factors, so sometimes 5G or LTE you were able to get over 100, and now on certain 5Gs you might not. Now here we go a little bit later. This is a few days later, and I've updated the iPhone Pro Max now to the newest beta, and let's see what we get. And again, now we're getting over 500 easily, and I think this is the fastest I've gotten it so far. It'll be nice to see as they push it out if we can get even faster, and if we will hit that 1 gigabit per second speed eventually. And 653 on the main road, just driving, being able to get that speed is amazing. Hopefully the home internet, this is something that we can see as well from T-Mobile in more areas. So if you guys like this content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.